why are you interested in local reporting? And so this is a little quote from her. She said, the main difference between writing local news and covering national news is there's so much news out there that's important to people's lives that's barely reported on, right? A lot of these issues are not partisan. They affect real people. A lot of national news reporting is oversaturated. You're covering the same thing as 20 other news outlets or writing stories based off of tweets. Because local markets are so undercovered, you'll have the opportunity to basically scoop every single story with real reporting. For a lot of us, that's what we got into journalism to do. For people who are concerned about equity, this is the path to equity in journalism, right? It's not, you know, people of color or LGBTQ folks or young people like knocking on the door of corporate media run by hedge funds saying like, oh, help us be equitable. And they're like, yeah, whatever, maybe it's profitable or whatever. And this is the opportunity to slay the gatekeeper. And what Chris said to me, I love this, he goes, we as an industry don't get to equity if you're continually knocking on the door. Launching your own media company is the way for people to take a bulldozer and create their own entrance. No hedge fund required. Love it. So, you know, that's my call to young reporters. I mean, you have to